Welcome to SoCalTech Interviews, where we talk to the entrepreneurs, investors, and others in Southern California's high-tech industry. Today, we talk with Brand Caso, Chief Technology Officer and co-founder of Meshcandy. I'm Ben Kuo, founder and editor of SoCalTech.com.
I'm Brand Caso, CEO of Meshcandy, and we are an automated wireless solution for healthcare for gathering in not only environmental data but asset tracking as well.
And how does that work? What does the product look like to the end user?
It's small pieces of hardware that actually complement the existing network, the existing Wi-Fi or Ethernet network, and they're low voltage and also can be battery powered. And these devices are spread out indoors within the facility, and they act on the 2.4 gigahertz network to bring all that data back to the gateway and then send it all up to the cloud for processing.
And why do your customers need a product like what you have?
So there's really two drivers. One is regulatory compliance, and then another one is improving operational efficiencies. So on the regulatory compliance side, there are compulsory requirements for gathering data such as temperature and humidity and airflow. And then on the operational side, it's always easier when you can find your equipment when you need it.
And how did the company start?
Well, we're actually a spin out from a parent company. Our parent is Tennecore Holdings, Inc., and we're deeply involved in healthcare in that business and the repair and medical device manufacturing. And it was from that experience that we saw the need for Meshcandy, the need for an automated system that can collect this data and throw away the clipboard, basically.
How did it spin out? What was the process of that?
It was somewhat natural in that we started to see asset tags come in to our depot location on equipment that we would repair. And we investigated these little devices, and at that time, around 2007 or 8, they were primarily RFID tags. And they could be passive or they could have been active tags, but we told ourselves, this is interesting. This is a technology that we need to get involved with if we're not going to be left behind.
And what's your background?
Well, background is actually I'm a Cal State LA graduate. I have a bachelor's degree in finance from that institution. And since that point, I've been involved in technology, primarily in healthcare.
So where's your product now, and can people buy this?
They can buy it. We have a website, Meshcandy.com, which of course has the links and connections to make contact with us. And we've been selling it commercially for 2 years. So we're right at the stage where we're looking to broaden that commercialization, and we're certainly looking for new customers and new partners.
What is the ideal customer for you?
Yeah, an ideal customer at this point is an acute care facility, a hospital. Typically, they'll start at a department level. That could be a laboratory or their pharmacy, operating room environment. And we deploy there, and they get a comfort level, and then usually we get a second invitation to go into a different department, and we're right at that stage with a few of our customers.
As an entrepreneur, what's the biggest lesson you've learned?
Oh, my word. I think it's being able to gauge and budget and forecast in the future. It's certainly a challenge because you're dealing with a lot of variables, demand, employee headcount, and certainly the unknown variables. So operationally, I think I'm always challenged. I like the big strategy things. Those come easy to me.
The last question is, what's next for you guys?
Well, what's next is 2019. We're looking to raise $2 million in a Series A round for us, and that will open the door for us for more commercialization and marketing of the product. What we have now is extremely stable for asset tracking and environmental monitoring, and we're excited.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Ben.